into 1 plus 2 by 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Third term, second term, first term. So first term lo 1 to end on the second term lo just increasing, addition, summation plus up to 3. Now definitely in the square plus 3 square and so on n square. Okay na? So 6. So now the term means un. Un is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on n by 1 square n square. Yeah. Now first of all
n into n plus 1.
just remember previous, okay na, recall na, yeah, the nothing but sum of first n terms, first term sum of first n natural numbers. What is the formula? N into
n plus 1.
n plus 1 by 2 by what about sum of square of first n terms natural numbers?
n into n plus 1
ఏంటమ్మా
by n into n plus 1
అంతేనా ఇంకొందా
into 2n plus 1 by 6.
Good. By 6. Yeah. N gets cancelled. Now what is the remaining? This also 3. The remaining term 3 by plus 1. This is your n. Am I correct? So now this is un. Sigma un is equal to 3 by 2n plus 1. Now what about vn now? How to find the vn? Simple. What is the number of degree? Power n power 0. Degree n power 1. So n power 0 by n power 1 1 by n. So your vn is 1 by n. లేదా n power 0 minus 1 రాసుకుంటే ఏదో వస్తాం n power minus. This is vn. So now sigma vn. What is the nature sigma vn? Sigma vn is, what is the series of ECNT చెప్పండి? What is the nature of this series?
Sir.
Yeah, this is the harmonic series. This is nothing but p series form. So with the power of n is 1, so p is equal to 1 in the p series, that series is divergence. So now sigma vn is diverges by p test. By p test. Okay. Now let us go to limit comparison test now. Un by vn. So in the limit comparison test, what we have to find? We have to find the limit of the ratio of into terms of the both the series. So now limit of 1 by un means 3 by 2n plus 1 by 1 by n. So next step you can do this easily. Okay, now limit of un by vn is equal to limit of 3 by 2n plus 1 into by 1 by n, అంటే n 3n by
3n by 2n plus 1.
degree denominator is same, then that improper limit always finite. 2n by take n outside, we get 2 plus 1 by n. Yeah, yes, n gets cancelled. Now 3 by 2 plus 1 by infinity, 2 plus 0. So finally we get 3 by 2 non-zero finite. Non-zero finite. What is the conclusion we got according to comparison test? So according to the limit comparison test, finite, the both the series sigma un and sigma vn are behave alike. And if vn converges, vn diverges, un also diverges. So according to limit both sigma un and సిగ్మా విఎన్ రాసేపోతుంది. Now what he currently is sigma, we know the nature of sigma vn. Since sigma vn is diverges, implies sigma un also diverges. This is the conclusion we have to write in the limit comparison test related problems. Okay. Now first questions, two questions. Okay, Rama? Definitely because we did the same model question yesterday last class. Sigma, what is the question? Sigma n square plus 1 minus n. This is the problem given. So how to proceed మా ఇది ఎలా చేశారు మీరు దీన్ని?
రేషనలైజ్ సార్.
రేషనలైజేషన్ చేసిన ఓకే లేదా వెరీ సింపుల్. సో దేర్ ఆర్ టూ వేస్, ఐదర్ రేషనలైజేషన్ ఆర్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ బైనామియల్ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ మోడల్. ఇక్కడ ఏదైనా అవుట్ తీసుకుంటే 1 plus 1 by n square plus 1 ఇలా వస్తుందమ్మా. సో now taking n outside, meaning ఇక్కడ ఉంది 1 plus 1 by n square whole power form. Binomial expansion యూజ్ చేయాలి ఇక్కడ. -1 n into for n ఫార్మ్ అమ్మా. అంటే 1 plus nx అంటే 1 plus 1 by 2 n square plus nc0 nc1 nc2 అంటే n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial అంటే 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 factorial. That is nothing but minus 1 by 8. అది ఇక్కడ మైనస్ సైన్ వస్తుంది. minus 1 by 8 అండ్ సో ఆన్. ఇక్కడ n పవర్ ఏమొస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ n పవర్ 4 వస్తుంది అండ్ సో ఆన్ -1. సో ఈ +1 ఈ -1 now taking n inside what we get 1 by వస్తుంది 1 by 2n 8n square and so on. Now this is in the form of fractional powers of 1 by n. Now un containing increasing powers. So what is the least degree term in this 1 by n? So now you have to choose vn as 1 by n. ఇది ప్రొసీజర్ అమ్మా, ఆల్రెడీ ఈ మోడల్ చెప్పాను నేను. సో vn 1 by n, vn together. Since vn is divergence, un also divergence. So first question conclusion divergence, third question కూడా divergence. So second question కూడా మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి అదొకటి. Now so till now we discuss so many tests to decide the nature of the given infinite series. Yeah. So in which first we discuss SN test. SN test ఎప్పుడు అప్లై చేసేది? What is the condition when we apply SN test? So for every class I was asking the same question. SN
పార్షల్ సమ్ అనుకున్నప్పుడు సార్.
యా పార్షియల్ సమ్ టెస్ట్ ఎప్పుడమ్మా ఏ కండిషన్ వాడతాం మనం? ఫర్ వాట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ సిరీస్ వి యూజ్ దిస్ టెస్ట్?
when we can find out nth term.
పార్షల్ సమ్ when we can find
పార్షియల్ సమ్. యా దాన్ని ఎలా సింపుల్ గా అనొచ్చు అంటే యూ కెన్ యూజ్ సింపుల్ టర్మ్స్ మన కూడా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ వస్తారు. ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ ఫైండ్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ n టర్మ్స్, ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ ఫైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ n టర్మ్స్, ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ టు యాడ్ చేస్తే ఒక సింపుల్ టర్మ్ మనకు రావాలి, అడిషన్. సో ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ సింప్లెస్ట్ రిజల్ట్స్ ఫర్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ n టర్మ్స్, then only we can apply SN test. SN అంటే what is the meaning of SN? Nth partial sum. What is the meaning of nth partial sum? Sum n terms. Okay, my SN test is applied when it is if we can find the sum of first n terms. Okay, now next test ఏంటమ్మా నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేసాం మనం ఏం డిసిషన్
Geometric series.
what type of infinite series comes under geometry? Hello. Please give response. Am I audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
What
sir.
type of series comes under geometric series test?
Series follows GP.
ఎలాంటి series? Yeah, very simple amma, simple terms. If the terms in the series are followed, geometric terms, they are in the form of geometric progression. If the terms follow common ratio, term by term common ratio, by dividing second term by first term, third by first or first by second, if you get same ratio, same value, that is called geometric progression terms. Okay na? So when the terms are in geometric progression, then we apply geometric series test. That's it. So SN test condition, geometric series test condition. Okay, what about last third one amma? Third em discussion manam, what we learn in third test? So these are tests to P test దేనికమ్మా ఇప్పుడు ఇలాంటి సిరీస్ వాడతాం మనం for what
One
type of
by n
series we
power
apply P test?
1 by n power p form.
Summation of
Yeah,
1
if
by
the
n
nth-
power p.
Yeah, that means if the nth term is in that form of nth term is in the form of 1 by n power something, nth term అనేది 1 by n power something form లో ఉండాలి. So that power of n in the denominator is p. We consider that as p. Depends on that p value, we decide the nature of the series. If the p value is greater than or equal to 1, that less than or equal to 1, what is the nature amma? If
Divergence.
the p value is less than or equal to 1, divergence. If p is bigger than 1,
Convergence.
if the p is 1, convergence. Okay, right. So that is the p test is applied when the nth term of the series, rather the rule of the series is in the form of 1 by n power p. That's it. What about the fourth test amma? Fourth ఏం చెప్పాను, ఇంటిగ్రల్ టెస్ట్ చెప్పాను. ఇంటిగ్రల్ యాక్చువల్ థర్డ్ వన్ ఇంటిగ్రల్, బట్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ టెస్ట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఇన్ ద సిలబస్, బట్ వి యూజ్ ఇట్ టు ప్రూవ్ పీ టెస్ట్. ఓకే, సో లెట్ us know what is the integral test. Also very simple. Suppose the series contain decreasing terms, the terms are in decreasing order. Okay, suppose the given series in decreasing order, the terms are in decreasing order, then we apply integral test. Very simple. That is decreasing order unte apply cheyochu manam integral test. Now what is the fifth test amma? After p test,
Comparison
what
test.
we discussed? Comparison test ante comparison test. Okay, right, comparison test operation, right. So what is the comparison test procedure? If sigma un sigma vn be both the two series of positive terms such that un less than or equal to vn, then if vn converges, un also converges. If un diverges, then vn also diverges.